I'm Michael Clark, Director of Parks and Recreation for the City of Roanoke. We're looking at completely redeveloping the pool space here at Washington Park. It's a very dated facility built in the early 1970s. Your standard L-shaped Olympic-sized pool with not a lot of play value to it. And it's outlived its useful life, so we're looking at building a new one.
I'm Katie Slusher. I'm the Planning and Development Coordinator for Roanoke City Parks and Recreation. So the current facility was built in 1972, and it definitely has some deferred maintenance issues and also just some structural issues from the nature of the site. Historically this was a landfill before it was a park, and so that has resulted in some settlement issues underground that are causing some pretty severe maintenance issues. That is one of the big reasons why it was particularly urgent to do a reconstruction here and a full reconstruction, because there's some issues like that have arisen over the years that just really need to be addressed.
So the first step in this process will be demolishing the existing facility. And while we're doing that, we'll start to solicit some input from the community to see what type of amenities they want to see in this new facility.
So we actually have a survey open right now that is asking folks what kind of amenities they really want to see prioritized here. So that is on our website. If you go to playroanoke.com, there's a link right on the front page that you can click on. It's just a few questions, really quick to fill out, so we'd love to get as much feedback as we can.
Our mission statement for the department is to build a welcoming community through play. And right now, there's not a lot welcoming about a dilapidated recreational facility. So, reinvesting in these type of spaces, it contributes to our mission. We also have a vision to be the reason people choose Roanoke. And, when folks see quality recreational amenities like this, it helps them make a decision to come visit or relocate or take advantage of the public spaces that we have here in the city.